those have increased in National Capital. Also, sanitization drive is going on. Right now, we are in a Preet Vihar area of National Capital where this exclusive drone has been developed by few people, and they are using this drone to sanitize the area. You can also see that in this drone there is also a special, box which is made for medicines. Also, I would the students here who have developed this drone, and this drone in this drone which is there, there is also a tank which contains sanitizer also. So what they do, they go in areas, those are hotspot zones where the people are quarantined, and this drone reaches out to the people. This drone also takes your temperature, and also if they need, they can get the medicines also with the help of this drone. Moreover, there is also a box which we were showing. There is sanitizers are also there in these boxes, and with the help of these drones, they go in these areas and then they sanitize the area. Also, there are some loudspeakers also. I would ask them to try to show us a demo as to how does this drone work. First of all, I would take a word from Prashant and try to understand as to how does this drone work. Prashant, what is so exclusive about this drone? You are telling us that in areas those are quarantined, and those are made hotspot zones. These drones can exclusively go there and provide medicines and also take a temperature of people there.
Absolutely. So the thing is, what we're trying to do at the moment is, when we lift this drone up, it can go near places where these people can come to their balconies. All their temperatures can be taken at one instant, and only then the health authorities have to go inside to get these people out. The best part about this is...
Can you please show us demo once so that we can understand as to how does this drone work? Because you're also telling us that there's a medicine box also in this drone.
Absolutely. For example, it will go in this fashion. Sagar, could you please give an announcement?
Hello. Is this Corona Combat drone ready to fly? Hello.
So this is the first step. In this, everyone will be asked to come to their balconies. Second, Devanshu, yes. Could you please... can you just go a bit apart?
So we are showing you how this drone works, because this drone can go in areas those are quarantined also. People are quarantined also, and you can see there are medicine boxes also in these drones. This drone can also take a thermal temperature of people in areas, nearby areas where this drone can go. More explain to us about this drone.
Okay, so the best part about this is the human touch is absolutely nothing. It can take the temperature from 15 to 20 meters, and only then the people have to go upstairs, the health authorities, and take the person down. And the best part about this is, after the temperature has been taken, the same place can be sanitized with the help of a sanitization tank attached to the same drone. Thirdly, to make sure that the operation doesn't have a problem at night, we have tried to ensure that we have put a night vision camera which can take the temperature at night also.
Okay, it can take temperature in night also.
Yes, absolutely.
Also, how have you tried it? Have you done some experiments with the help of this drone?
The first demo which we had done was at Majnu Ka Tila. Yes. Second, we had given a demo to the Noida authority. And third, at the moment, we are talking with the Gurgaon government to ensure these things can be used exactly at the red zones.
Sir, and also you can clearly see that there is, we would once again try to show to our viewers that there is a medicine box also in this drone. This drone can also take temperatures. Thermal screening can be done from very close ranges also. Also, there is a box in which sanitization is filled. Whenever it goes there in areas, those are hotspot zones. You can also sanitize the areas without coming in contact with people who are living in these areas. So indeed, there are some experiments, some important things. Those are now being developed by people so that agencies can be helped in large numbers.
Now we're getting a big breaking development. Let's quickly update our viewers.